Hey, my friend, award-winning author Andy LaCivita here, and I want to thank you for stopping by to check out my resume writing workshop. It is going to be fantastic. It is free. It's 4 days. I'm conducting it live August 4th through 12th. The details are on the page, but I know that if you are here with me on this page, you aspire for a better job and a better career and a better life. And we both know it starts with having a clear direction on where you want to go and a great resume to open the doors to those opportunities. As somebody who does this every day of my life, and a longtime executive recruiter who's seen more than 500,000 resumes, I have curated what I know to be the best layout, and I want to teach that to you. Now, it all starts with understanding how somebody like me or corporate recruiters or hiring officials or people in a hiring capacity, how do they look at your resume? What are they looking for? What are they not looking for? What questions go through their minds? And once you understand the psychology behind all of that, I'm going to teach you exactly how to write the entire resume. So over these 4 days, I'm going to teach you the psychology, the insider's view of what's really going on, and then for the next 3 sessions, I'm going to teach you how to write the major sections of the resume. Check out the details on this page. All you need to do is enter your name and email address to register, and as soon as you register, immediately, I will send you a welcome email with my resume content builder. It is a 12-page workbook that shows you exactly what the layout of the resume is supposed to look like, what goes in each section, exactly how to write it, the philosophy behind it, some additional notes that you need to understand about how to fill it in and put yourself in the best light. And then I also have a journal at the end of that that's going to help you figure out what information you need to collect in order to build not only a great resume, but also the next step when you get all those job interviews that you're going to get, how do you make your interview stories shine? It's all in my resume content builder. It's immediately available and free to you once you register for the event. And then once you do that, I'm going to send you to a thank you page where I've got some instruction, things you can do to get the best experience out of the program so that when we conduct it live, you are ready to fill in that resume. Hope to see you there.